Hello children, so today we are going to start new chapter. In the previous class we have finished with the third chapter, that is reproduction in human beings. Okay, so the new chapter which we are going to start is the reproductive health. Okay, the word reproductive health is something new? No. Health we already studied in class ninth, and we have studied health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being. So that is, if we are physically fit, we are mentally fit, we are socially fit, we say that we are healthy. But when we talk about reproductive health, it has something different meaning. Okay, it includes those three things only, that three basic things which are required to be healthy. That is the physical health, the mental health, and the social health. All three, these three aspects are there. Okay, so let's just have a quick understanding about these three terms and what is their relation or what is their meaning with the reproductive health. See, the first one is the physical health. That is when our reproductive system, which is consist of several organs, and each organ is meant for performing a specific function. If all those things are working in a proper manner, we say that the person's reproductive physical health is okay. Let's consider a little more deeper. That is, if a person's like the ovaries are there, which are meant for two functions, that is the secret production of the ova and production of the female reproductive hormones. Same way that testis is meant for two purposes, that is production of the male gamete sperms and the reproductive hormone, that is androgens. Okay. Then there are number of ducts. If all the ducts are, that is if all the ducts are working in a proper manner, that is they are open, they are not blocked anywhere, they are not choked anywhere, they are not cut anywhere, they are not damaged anywhere, they are working in a proper manner, then we say that the reproductive health is okay. Okay, and if the glands are producing the and secreting the hormones or chemicals or seminal plasma or any other thing which they are actually meant for, then we say that the person's physical reproductive health is okay. If a woman's uterus is quite capable of carrying out the pregnancy gestation period, providing proper nourishment to the fetus and the proper delivery of the child, then we say that the female's reproductive health is okay. Okay, so that is how one by one we have to see each and every organ. If any one of is defective, then the person's reproductive capability will be affected. Say, for example, if some woman's uterus is weak, which cannot withhold, which cannot continue with the pregnancy, then how can we say that the reproductive health is okay? Or suppose someone's testis is not producing enough of the semen, or if someone's sperms, or if some gland is not working in a proper manner, then that means his or her reproductive functioning is affected. So reproductive physical functioning include these things, and these are many of these may be many a time these may be because of some type of infection, some type of external reasons. Okay, some are genetic reasons which are there right from the birth, and there are some external reasons which are later on caused. Okay, so anyway, to like some type of infections, the infections are not always present since the birth. Okay, but most of the infections are we get from outside. Okay, so the infection can be one of the reason, natural processes can be one of the reason. Oh, no, so there are several. So that all include the reproductive physical health. What is meant by the reproductive mental health? We know that the reproductive system is actually meant for production of the babies, but it also is associated with some of the other things. That is, the reproductive system includes certain sort of pleasure, certain sort of intimate relationship between the man and woman. A man and a woman comes close to one another for their needs, physical needs. But many a time, many a time, people forget the the ethical values. They forget their responsibility. They forget about some of the bonds which are there. Okay, so some type of relationship, some type of bond, some type of value, some type of respect, some type of what you call ethical relationship which should be there, they are forgotten because of the mental reason. Sometimes the the reproductive power becomes so what you call powerful, or what you call the people just forget about these relationships, and that is the reason that we see that all the type of illicit relations are there, some type of rape and some type of eve teasing and some other type of actions we are seeing. Of course, this is a very broad spectrum, but we cannot study that. So in our book, this particular topic is not mentioned at all. However, this is one of the topic which need to be discussed in country like ours. Okay, where we are seeing all these type of effects. Okay, so had it been properly tackled, properly taught, then these type of problems would have never been appeared. The reason for all these are starting from the home itself only, where we are seeing that, especially in a country like India, where we are seeing that there is a vast discrimination between the boy and a girl, a man and a woman. The man is given lot of respect, lot of values, whereas the women is not. Okay, you find that even in the offices they are not well treated. In the house they are not well treated. Even if the brother and sister are there, the brother is given more importance and sister knows. Many a time you will find that the sister is studying some in a government school or in a simple school, and the boy is given some extra treatment. The birthday celebration in case of boys are some in a grand manner than the girls. So that discrimination right from the childhood, a man is getting, a boy is getting, he is registering, and he's thinking that there is the girls or the women are need not to be given respect. If you go to the villages, if you go to the other places where the woman cannot raise their voice, you will find these things all the more better. Now with the education, now with the that is the women empowerment and all, now the woman knows about their values, and now these things are slowly reducing. So if we can say that if the education reaches to each and everyone, the probably this thing will be greatly reduced, as in case of western countries and all. Okay, so that will be another and the third aspect which we have to talk about here is that is the social reproductive social health. And now what is reproductive social health? When we talk about the social health, we are actually talking about the social relationship. Now the ultimate outcome of the reproduction is the childbirth, and childbirth is actually a family's issue, a husband wife's issue, that how many children they want to but there is another thing which is there, which is related with the childbirth, is the population. As a couple go on adding new individuals, the population, the country's population rises, and this is another wide scope area where we have to throw light in. Again, so social issues include both the things, that is our relationship with the people of opposite sex of the society, and our responsibility in the society as an adult. How many children should we produce? What are the things? See, if I take it a simple example, if I explain it in a simple words, I can say that is, a couple may think that I got plenty of money and I can buy 4 cars, I can have a big house, so I can have children even, and I will educate my children. What the government had to worry about? Okay. Now, why everyone is crying about vaccine, and why everyone is putting government on blame that you are not providing or you're not having a proper vaccination plan? We can decide only about our children, but when it comes to the government has to decide about entire population. They have to think about their residents, they have to think about their job, they have to think about their roads, they have to think about their electricity, they have to think about the weather, all the other the needs of the population, and that will be not sufficient for everyone if the population will go on rising. And that is why we are all the time saying that the population should be controlled, population should be maintained, population should be manageable. And the country like India, we are not in a state to manage the population. You see, I'll give you a very simple example. That is, you and me, we all are using refrigerator, fridge, cars, TV, and all, so many things are there. Okay? But most of these things are produced by some foreign countries. No. So those are with their minimum investment, they are by making all of these gadgets, and they are putting in the Indian market. But the basic infrastructure is created by the government. The government will have to make roads. Government will have to make electricity. A Korean company which is selling cars here, they are not arranging the petrol also. Or a Japanese a company which is making all AC and selling in India, they are not supplying electricity. So electricity we have to supply from the local government, local state government, or the some other state governments. Okay, so that becomes a big problem. You, one can have one can think, I got plenty of money. Why can't I have 15, 16, 20 children? But then where will make the arrangement from? ठीक है, one can, he is not going to open school for his children to study. The schools government will have to arrange, the electricity government has to make arrange, the roads government has to make arrange, okay? And for all those things, lot of infrastructure is required, lot of infrastructure require lot of finances, and that is not there in the country. So that is these three issues we have to mention here. I have just taken a broad spectrum. These things are not that much mentioned in the chapter, but we are just understood. Let us study what is mentioned in the chapter. Okay, so here we come, chapter 4, reproductive health. Okay, let us see, line by line we'll go. Have you learned about human reproductive system? You have learned about human reproductive system and its function in chapter 3. Now let us discuss clearly related topic, that is reproductive health. What do we understand by the term? So I explained you that is the health is stating three things, that is the physical state, mental state, and social. Okay? The term simply refers the reproductive health organ of the normal function. However, it is in the broader perspective, which includes emotional and social aspect. Emotional and social aspect. Let us talk about emotion. What is meant by emotion? You take a simple example, class 2, 3 child, you simply call. If he is making any mistake, you just call, you give him a shout, and you send him, and he'll go and he'll listen to you. After 10 minutes, if you call him, again he'll come. Okay. And every day teachers are shouting, but the child is still having a love towards that teacher. Every day some children may be playing mischief with him, yet that child is having love, affection with that child, that friends of his. Okay? But as the child grows and come to the class 6, 7th, 8th, now if this type of behavior are there, 6th class tak chalega, 7th class onwards you will find the day teacher shout on a child, next day onward that child will start cutting from that teacher. Okay? What is the emotional level? Okay? The testosterone brings some changes in the body. Now the emotions are, and these emotions may have, this is a small example. These emotions have great relationship, great perspective. वो तो बड़े भी होते चले जाते हैं और level उनका बढ़ता भी चला जाएगा. So that has to be understood, clearly understood. And why it is related with reproduction? Yes, because hormonal changes are there which are bringing these things. Okay, social aspect of reproduction also. According to the World Health Organization, reproductive health is the total well-being of all the aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Okay, so mental includes behavioral and emotional. It is what our mental state, according to that we will behave. So you might have seen some of the people who are standing at the roadside, or the pawn shop, at the bus stop, and the other places, and they are all the time just having ear teasing, or just looking at some people with the ugly vision. So all those things are their behavior, and why it is so? Because they were not properly taught, and that is having ill effect on the society. Okay? So emotional and behavior both are there, and then it has ultimately affecting the society. Therefore, a society with the people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organ, and normal emotional and behavioral interaction among them in a sex-related aspect, might be called reproductively healthy. Okay? Not only that, one have a proper reproductive system, properly functioning reproductive system. But I said, since it is secreting, the testis is secreting hormone testosterone, The ovary is secreting progesterone and the GnRH is there. There are other hormones are there. They are bringing the emotional changes. They are bringing some other type of thing. So all those things are also equally important when we are talking about reproductive health. Why it is significant to maintain reproductive health and what are the methods that has to be uh, discussed. So let us examine them. चलिए बात करते हैं reproductive health problem and strategies. Okay, India was among the first country in the world to initiate action plan and program at the national level to attain reproductive health as a social goal. In way back in 1951. 1951 itself, government has started a program called family planning. Okay, family planning was not only to plan the family, that is to think that how many children to be produced and how to control population. That was not the only aim, but it included number of things. That is the maternal care, prenatal care of the mother, postnatal care of the mother, child care, vaccination plan, the what do you call that iron and calcium tablets, and the what do you call the proper checkup of this and arranging the proper number of hospitals and equipping with the proper type of things and all. That has started way back in 1951 itself. Our country got independent in the August 47. Okay? And by 1951, we have already started initiated with this. That was the need. Why? Because at that time, country was in a very poor state, very bad state. The hospitals were not proper, and people were totally unaware about the reproductive health. Not only reproductive health, that the cleanliness, hygiene. Even now, we are finding that many of the people they are not hygienic. Okay? Had we been hygienic, this disease, corona, would have not taken such a bad shape. Okay. 1951, and we were periodically these were periodically assessed over past decades. ऐसे नहीं बना करके छोड़ दिया बोले कि आप चलने दो ऐसे ही, ठीक है? But there were periodically assessed, and the programs were changed time and time again. Some things were required, those things have been added. Some things not required, that has been removed. So many new things are. First, vaccination was not so important, but later on vaccination were included. Later on, family planning with the thing. Initially we had a slogan of 2 or 3 babies are enough, and then later on we said change it to the 2 baby now. Then now we are professing कि भाई एक ही बच्चा हो, एक ही अच्छा, है ना? तो time to time we are changed, है ना? And even the name of the program is being changed. So see, initially this program were called family planning, which was initiated in 1951 and were periodically assessed over the past decade. Improved programs covering wider reproductive related areas are currently in operation under a popular name as reproductive and child health care. अब हम केवल रिप्रोडक्शन की बात नहीं कर रहे, अब हम केवल पॉपुलेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम हेल्थ केयर की बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर पुटिंग मोर स्ट्रेस ऑन द हेल्थ केयर. Okay, because we have seen that the maternal mortality rate, the infant mortality rate was very high. In yesterday, in some days back, when I was teaching, I told you that is at that time in the olden time, the people used to get married at the age of 4 years, 2 years, somewhere even at the thing. Oh, गोद में ही शादी कर रहे थे. खुद हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी जल्दी उम्र में शादी हो गई, ठीक है? And by the time you realize, he said कि no, it is not going to work. ठीक है? तो people were not aware. People were not aware with what is the wedding is. By the time they used to, अरे उनकी choice हो, इसका कोई aspect नहीं. By 13, 14 years, the woman used to get pregnant. By 18, 19, 20 years, they used to have 3, 4 children playing in their angan. Why? Because they did not know anything about that, and that a girl was not matured enough. Most of the time, the mother used to die. Most of the time, the child was born, they used to die. So that is why there was a need of reproductive health care. Okay? Reproductive and child health care program creating awareness among the people about various reproductive related aspects and providing facilities and support to build up the reproductively healthy society. अब केवल कह देने से, किताब में लिख देने से, भोंपू बजा देने से रेडियो, उस टाइम टीवी तो था नहीं, ठीक है। दैट टाइम न्यूज़पेपर वाज नॉट इन एवरीवन्स रीच, दैट टाइम even in a village, even in a normal क्या कहते हैं urban city, that there were only hardly few people who were educated, who could read, who could understand, ठीक है। गांव में एक टीचर होते थे, एक सरपंच होते, सरपंच भी ज्यादातर अनपढ़ ही होते थे, अभी भी अनपढ़ ही रहते हैं सरपंच। नाउ ऑल्सो यू विल फाइंड नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस, यू विल फाइंड दैट अंगूठा छाप, ठीक है। वी हैव मेड इट टू इम्प्रूव, तो हमने क्या कई जगहों पर रिजर्वेशन कर दिया कि ओनली लेडी विल बी ए सरपंच, तो लेडी सरपंच तो बन जाती है एंड हस्बैंड चला रहे होते हैं उसको, बिकॉज लेडी इज जस्ट अंगूठा छाप, ठीक है। तो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव सीन, वो सब जो चीजें हो रही थी तो वो सब गलत था, है ना। और एक पोस्टमैन होता था, डाकिया कोई चिट्ठी लेके आता था, लोग उससे ही बोल देते पढ़ के सुना दे भाई, क्योंकि उनको तो आता ही नहीं था क्या। तो ऐसे टाइम में हम कैसे अपेक्षा कर सकते हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर वुड हैव प्लेड अ ग्रेट रोल, एंड टीवी वाज नॉट देयर। टीवी तो हमारे देश में मतलब एशिया 1982 के बाद में तो आने लगा, मतलब टीवी वाज एक्जिस्टिंग बट इट वाज नॉट इन अ रीच। by 1982 जो है, there was a massive drive about the this thing TV relay station, दूरदर्शन के, and lot of TV stations were open and the TV prices were brought down. Practically every state had their own TV production industry, government subscribed industry. तो उसने जो है काफी हद तक चेंज किया, तो that was necessary because number of planning, even today if you see Doordarshan you will see that number of socially important advertisement comes only on Doordarshan। ये तो सब बिकाऊ चैनल है, तो पैसे वाले हैं। अगर यहाँ आकर के पोलियो ड्रॉप पिलाना, अमिताभ बच्चन आकर के 2 ड्रॉप पोलियो की बोलता है, तो इवन अमिताभ बच्चन इज टेकिंग मनी एंड इवन द चैनल इज टेकिंग मनी, सो दैट ऑल बिकम एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर। सो ये हर कोई बस की बात थोड़ी, तो दैट इज व्हाई यू फाइंड दैट the scenario is changed. Anyway, now that affordability is increased, the people's capabilities are increased. Practically every house has got mobile, every house has got TV, every house has got radio. Radio का तो जमाना गया, ठीक है। चलिए बात करते हैं। Now providing facilities and support to building up the reproductively healthy society are the major tasks under these programs. बात करते हैं आगे। With the help of audio visual, I still remember, I myself remember, I have seen UNICEF used to fund, and in my village, my mother herself was a nurse, and in her hospital there used to be one UNICEF vehicle which used to go around in the places, आस-पास के सारे गांव में जाके पिक्चर दिखाते थे, ठीक है। That time movies were not in everyone's reach, ठीक है। कहीं बड़ी सिटीज में कहीं पिक्चर हॉल होते थे, टीवी तो था ही नहीं, मैंने आपको बार बार बोल दिया, ठीक है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वे बैक इन द 70s, अर्ली 70s, लेट 70s एंड अर्ली 80s, ठीक है। अर्ली 80 में मतलब मेरे खुद के घर में टीवी आया है 1982 में, 84 में, 84 में, ठीक है। तो इट वाज नॉट इन एवरीवन्स रीच, तो उस टाइम यूनिसेफ जो है गांव-गांव में जाके मूवीज दिखाती थी, ठीक है। तो दे यूज्ड टू हैव अ प्रोजेक्टर दैट यूज्ड टू कीप ऑन द जीप एंड दे यूज्ड टू हैव अ जनरेटर, उससे वो बना करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड किसी भी वॉल पे प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, मूवी दिखाते हैं, एंड इन बिटवीन दे यूज्ड टू हैव the small capsules where they used to give the ad about small family, importance of the small family, importance of the vaccination। आज जैसे कोविड का वैक्सीन लगाने के लिए नखरे कर रहे हैं ना लोग बाग, that was the time when the smallpox vaccine used to come and people used to hide, children used to hide, mothers used to hide their children, कहाँ कहाँ पे छुपा देती थी, नहीं लगाना वैक्सीन। आज जैसे क्या कह रहे हैं कि भैया ये वैक्सीन लगाने से मर जाते हैं, हैं? उस टाइम भी ऐसे ही कहते थे, उस टाइम भी ऐसे ही कहते थे। सो दैट वाज द टाइम, ठीक है। तो ये ऑडियो विजुअल जो है दैट यूज्ड टू प्ले वेरी बिग रोल। देन धीरे-धीरे प्रिंट मीडिया आया, एंड प्रिंट मीडिया एंड ऑडियो विजुअल जो है, नाउ वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली टाइम, अब टाइम तो चेंज हुआ तो प्रिंट मीडिया का रोल ज्यादा अच्छा हो गया, उसके बाद अब ऑडियो विजुअल टीवीज पे आने लग गए, ठीक है। कौन कर रहा है ये? विद द गवर्नमेंट एंड द नॉन गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज। गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज वो तो कर ही रही है, उनका तो रोल ही है, गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी, इसलिए अभी टीवीज है फ्री, मतलब दूरदर्शन है, उनका तो काम है ये सब करना, ठीक है। और नॉन गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज, कई सारे नॉन गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी जिसको हम एनजीओज कहते हैं, दे वर आल्सो स्टार्टेड this one, ठीक है, have taken various steps to create awareness among the people about reproductive related aspects. Parents and other close relative, teachers and friends have also the major role in dissemination of the information. Just now I said, विलेज में तो पढ़े लिखे लोग मिलते ही नहीं थे, इक्का दुक्का, कौन, टीचर, विद्यालय का अध्यापक, प्राइवेट स्कूल छोड़ दीजिए, इंग्लिश मीडियम जमाना ही नहीं था, ठीक है। इक्का दुक्का इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल थे, वो बिशप कॉटन एंड दून स्कूल एंड देवर एंड द हिल्स, जो अंग्रेज छोड़ गए, ठीक है। यहाँ राजस्थान में माउंट आबू में स्कूल, आगरा में, अजमेर में एक स्कूल, सेंट एंसलम, इक्का दुक्का स्कूल थे जो, तो बाकी सब यही थे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के टीचर्स, they used to be, especially in the villages, they were the only people who were understanding reading and writing, तो उनको बुलाते थे। I have witnessed it, बताया ना यूनिसेफ की vehicle, then my mother and some other of other authorities from the hospital, they used to go to village, and then they used to call these people, who the most respected educated people, who were there, सरपंच, उसके बाद तो कोई टालेगा नहीं, ठीक है, टीचर्स, पोस्टमैन, ठीक है, एंड अदर इक्का दुक्का जो ये थोड़े रेस्पेक्ट वाले बड़े लोग होते थे, उनको बुलाते थे, एंड दे यूज्ड टू pour knowledge into them, they used to give them, मतलब I still remember, मैं भी जाता था कई बार उनके साथ में, क्योंकि I was a small kid that time, and मेरा इंटरेस्ट कुल मिला के ये रहता था कि दाल बाटी खाने को मिलेगी, बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू, भाई उनको बुलाना है तो वो तो ऐसे तो आएंगे नहीं, तो यू हैव टू गिव देम समथिंग, ठीक है। सो दैट यूज्ड टू बी अट्रैक्शन, एंड इन दैट अट्रैक्शन आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू एंजॉय। तो उन लोगों को बुला करके उनको ये बेसिक चीजें दिखा रहे थे, सिखा देते। नाउ every person is asked to at least spread the knowledge to 5 people. तो सरपंच ने 5 जनों को बताया, टीचर ने 5 जनों को बताया, फिर वो 5 अगले 5 को बताएंगे, एंड दोज लेडीज यूज्ड टू कम, मटका सर पे रख करके पानी भरने जा रही हैं, फिर उसमें से किसी एक को मालूम पड़ा, वो पानी भरते हुए जाते जाते दूसरों को बता रही है, और आज क्या हुआ, मेरे पति ने इसको बताया, या हमारे एडवार साहब ने ऐसे बताया, या हमारे वो डाकिया आया था उसने ऐसे बताया, या सरपंच जी आए तो उन्होंने बताया। So she is in disseminating the information to another 5-6 people who are going along with, फिर वो घर जा रहे हैं, वो अपने साथ वालों को बता रहे हैं। तो this is how the information used to spread, chain reaction। जो आज चेन रिएक्शन बोले तो कोविड की बात है, तो एक ने 5 को 5 ने अगले 5 को धड़ाधड़ फैला दिया, ठीक है। बट somehow this was the way, ठीक है। and lot of money has been spent by RCH program, by family planning program, RCH came quite late, and उसके बाद RCH, ठीक है। तो it was not only family population control, not only that, vaccination was one of the major drive which people used to deny, people used to not accept it, उनको कोई मतलब ही नहीं है वैक्सीनेशन से, आज भी नहीं है कोविड से। You just go and ask 45 and above के स्टेट ने जो है उनके पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से वैक्सीन दे दिए, none of the state could completely use those vaccines, ठीक है, which has been given freely by government। क्यों? क्योंकि आ ही नहीं रहा आदमी। भाई उस टाइम तो I still remember my mother used to go house to house and catch the children and put vaccine, and मेरे बहुत सारे लगे, they used to, अरे कुछ नहीं होता करके मेरे लगा देते, ठीक है। तो that was a different time, that was a different time। अभी तो आप ऐसे फोर्सफुली तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, तो थाने में ले जाएंगे, वो केस हो जाएगा आपके आगे, ठीक है। that was a different time। तो आज तो आप केवल उनको समझा सकते हो, आ जाओ भाई, है ना, टीवी पे ऐड दिखा रहे हैं, एक आ रहा है, दूसरा आ रहा है, तीसरा आ रहा है, बोल रहा है, हर जगह पे बैनर लग रहे हैं, है ना, कोविन वेबसाइट बना दी है, रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है, रजिस्ट्रेशन छोड़ दिया, बोला कि भैया जो भी आओ आईडी लेकर के आ जाओ, लगा लो, उसके लिए भी नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है। और फ्री दे रखी है तब भी नहीं आ रहा, अब अगले महीने से पैसे में कौन लगाता है, लेटेस्ट सी, तो देखते हैं। So also a major role to disseminate the above information. Introduction of sex education in school. Sex education in school. You are going to teach this thing to the children. You are going to teach about the reproductive system. कौन सी बड़ी बात हो गई? जब हमारा देश आजाद हुआ 12-13 साल की उम्र में तो शादी हो गई, 13-14 साल में तो बच्चे हो जाते थे। अभी हम उन बच्चों को ये पढ़ाएं भी नहीं। है. So sex education in children was very very important. ना इसका ये कोई मतलब नहीं है कि हम वी आर टीचिंग उलुल जुलुल की बातें. वी आर एजुकेटिंग देम अबाउट व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द, कैसे डिजीज होती है, किसको कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, एंड व्हाट आर द एम्स ऑफ सेक्स एजुकेशन. वहाँ देखते हैं यहाँ पे. शुड बी डिस्करेज टू शुड बी एनकरेज टू प्रोवाइड right information to the young one, right information, in absence of which people are getting information from here and there. आज भी इतना एजुकेशन होते हुए भी, इतना मीडिया होते हुए भी, मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट देयर मेंस्ट्रुएशन. पहली बार होता है वो घबरा जाती है, बोले ये क्या हो गया. ठीक है, व्हाई? बिकॉज द प्रॉपर नॉलेज. स्कूल भी नहीं दे रहा है, माँ बाप भी नहीं दे रहे हैं, फिर क्या होगा? फिर एक डर व्याप्त हो गया, फिर वो अपने किससे बोलूं किससे नहीं बोलूं, ये वाली सिचुएशन. दीज आर नॉट द थिंग्स. अ चाइल्ड शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली एजुकेटेड, दे शुड बी मेड अवेयर, दे शुड बी मेड अंडरस्टैंड द गुड टच बैड टच एंड ऑल. एक बार थोड़ा सा हंगामा मचा, लोगों ने खूब करा, उसके बाद वापस शांति हो गई. ठीक है, ये चीजें नहीं है. वन शुड टीच ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ओके, तो यंग, सो दैट्स टू discourage the children from being in believing in myth. Two myths we have studied in the previous chapter. One of the biggest myth yet prevailing in the society कि लड़का होगा लड़की होगी, वो स्त्री के हाथ में. स्त्री के हाथ में नहीं है साहब. आप कुछ भी खिलाओ, कुछ भी पिलाओ, कोई भी ताबूत लाओ, कोई भी ताबीज लाओ, कोई भी बबूत खिलाओ, कोई भी पंडित जी के पास जाओ, कोई भी बाबा जी के पास जाओ, कुछ भी कर लो. इट इज टोटली डिपेंडिंग ऑन चांस. एंड आदमी हस्बैंड अपना वाइफ को बोल के भेजता है, लड़का नहीं लाए ना तो आना मत घर में, एज इफ शी इज culprit. It is the sperms, that is the X and Y chromosome of the sperms. They are deciding the sex of a child, not the wife, not the lady, not the female. Then we have studied about hymen. Okay, so there are a number of myths prevailing in the society about the reproductive thing. So they should be well tackled. तो ऐसे ही समझाते हैं. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर सेक्स एजुकेशन. ओके, तो व्हाई दिस थिंग्स. इससे अलावा हमने चैप्टर 1 में हमने पढ़ा था, वो क्या कहते हैं, एमनियोसेंटेसिस. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें, दीज आर द मिथ्स, दीज हैज टू बी वेरी मच क्लियर, टैकल्ड. ठीक है, एंड मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट द सेक्स रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट, प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, एडोलेसेंस रिलेटेड चेंजेस, सेफ एंड हाइजीनिक सेक्सुअल प्रैक्टिसेस एंड सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटिंग डिजीजेस, एड्स एक्सेट्रा. इन सारी चीजों को बताना है सेक्स एजुकेशन में. वी आर नॉट टीचिंग एनी अगली थिंग्स, वी आर नॉट टीचिंग एनी बैड थिंग, एंड येट सम ऑफ द सोशल रिलीजियस ऑथोरिटीज जो है वो हमेशा अगेंस्ट है कि दीज थिंग्स शुड नॉट बी टॉट इन द स्कूल. Not be taught. What do you mean by that? कहाँ से लेकर के आएंगे इन्फॉर्मेशन? फिर वो इधर उधर की किताबें पढ़ेंगे. चलो अब तो we have got still lot of authentic क्या कहते हैं मीडिया which can give you proper answer for many of the things, but olden time it was not like that. I still remember we used to get some of the magazine and children, people used to ask in those, ladies used to ask in that, वो क्वेश्चन आते थे, हमसे पूछिए. वहाँ एक क्वेश्चन लिखते थे, पता नहीं कितने महीने बाद उसका जवाब आता होगा. और lady is writing that is I am having so and so the problem, what should I do? वो तो चिट्ठी जाने का वहाँ पहुँचेगी. Whether that चिट्ठी will be taken in this episode or they will be taking in the another the thing, तो 2 महीने 3 महीने बाद में उसका जवाब आएगा, तब तक तो she may die. ठीक है, तो the thing has to be taught in a proper manner in the school. तो ये जरूरी है. Sex education would help people, especially of those in the adolescence age and group, to lead to the reproductively healthy life. Educating people, especially of fertile couple, उनको समझाना ज्यादा जरूरी है. भैया उनका मैरिजेबल एज क्या है, शादी करने की इच्छा है, लेकिन आप पता है सरकार ने नियम बना दिया 18 साल से कम लड़की और 21 साल से कम पुरुष कोई शादी नहीं कर सकता. बाल विवाह सच ए कॉमन थिंग. अभी रिसेंटली 2-3-5 साल के अंदर इसके ऊपर कंट्रोल हुआ है. आई मीन 5 साल का मतलब ये 5 साल ही नहीं है, मतलब इन सालों के अंदर हमने जो है इसको बोले आखा तीज, एक त्योहार, एक सीजन आता है, एक त्योहार ही कह दो, कुछ भी कह दो आप उसको. दैट डे इट इज बिलीव कि उस टाइम कुछ वो जंतरी पंतरी कुछ बनानी नहीं पड़ती, आखा कोई तारीख नहीं निकालनी पड़ती, दैट इज द बेस्ट डे फॉर गेटिंग मैरिड। तो पीपल यूज टू गेट मैरिड विलेजेस में, छोटे बड़े सबकी शादी हो जाती। पुलिस को लगाया उनके पीछे, उनको लोगों को समझाने के लिए लगाया, तब कहीं जाके धीरे धीरे कम हो। पर अभी भी बाल विवाह, बाल वधू कॉमन है, ठीक है, इफ यू गो टू द विलेजेस। तो ये मैरिजेबल एज के बारे में बताना। अबाउट अवेलेबल बर्थ कंट्रोल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज गोइंग ऑन राइजिंग, ठीक है। केयर ऑफ द प्रेग्नेंट मदर, पोस्ट नेटल केयर ऑफ एंड द of mother and child, so all these issues has to be properly tackled, explained. Importance of the breastfeeding, बड़े बड़े घरों के लोग बाग औरतें अभी ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग पे वो बोले कि नहीं, ये दिस इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, इससे क्या है, मतलब कुछ न कुछ हो जाता है। फिर जॉब जॉब में जा रही हैं औरतें, जो दोज हु आर वर्किंग वुमेन, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ ऑफ टाइम टू ब्रेस्ट फीड। तो काफी सोसाइटीज ने जो है मतलब उसका वो करके नाउ द मैटरनल लीव जो है दैट इज एक्सटेंडेड अप टू 6 months। Previously, it used to wait for 1 month, 1.5 months, then made for 3 months, then now it is made for 6 months. And paternal leave is also being granted. But yet, all these facilities are given in the गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओनली। प्राइवेट वाले को तो बोलते हैं कल से जॉब पे आ जाना, नहीं तो नौकरी चल जाएगी तेरी, छुट्टी घर ले, नौकरी छोड़ के घर पे बैठ, ठीक है। तो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स which are which are being changed time and time again, okay। तो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग के बारे में, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द मेल एंड फीमेल चल ही रहा है। अभी भी हम यही बात कहते हैं, हम कहते हैं कि लड़कियां जो है वो दे आर इक्वली गुड देन द, और बल्कि अब तो ये कहने लगे कि लड़कियां ज्यादा अच्छी हैं लड़कों से, ठीक है। वुड एड्रेस द इम्पोर्टेंट bringing up of the socially conscious healthy families of desire size is again important, ठीक है। Awareness of the problems due to the uncontrolled population growth, social evils like sex abuse, sex related crime, etc. need to be created to enable the people to think and take necessary steps to prevent them, and thereby building up the socially responsible healthy society, ठीक है। तो ये हमारा एम है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो हमने पढ़ा है अभी पिछले टाइम में, दे वर द एम ऑफ द सेक्स एजुकेशन इन स्कूल, ठीक है। एंड दैट इज बीन रॉन्गली, मिसकंसेप्शन है लोगों को सेक्स एजुकेशन में कुछ और ही पढ़ा रहे हो, ठीक है। दैट्स ऑल चिल्ड्रन, गुड डे, एंजॉय योर डे एंड कीप योरसेल्फ सेफ, और अपने आप को कोरोना से बचा के रखें। बहुत खतरनाक स्टेट में आ गया है ना, तो अपने आप को घर में रखे, बाहर नहीं जाएं, और बाहर से कुछ भी चीज लेकर के आ रहे हैं तो उसको धोएं वोएं, हाथ वाथ भी धो लें, किसी से हाथ मिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी और तरह का क्लोज आने की जरूरत नहीं है। बाजार से आप दूध लेकर आ रहे हैं, थैली को अच्छे से धोएं, सब्जी लेकर आ रहे हैं, प्रॉपर्ली वॉश देम एंड कीप देम। सम ऑफ द थिंग्स यू कैन सैनिटाइज बाय कीपिंग देम इन सन, है ना, वॉश योर mask and all. Take care, children. Now you are in class 12th, you know what can be done and what cannot be, especially when you are taken bio. Okay, so you should be the uh, actors which should be followed by the others. Good day, children.